A feeder line is important for a poultry breeder farm because it ensures that poultry have access to fresh, high-quality feed, which is a vital nutrient for their production. A feeder line can also help reduce feed wastage and prevent feed from mixing with litter. Here are some other things to consider when using feeder lines on a poultry farm. Distance between lines. If feeder lines are placed on slats, the distance between the lines should be 90 centimeters. Distance between feeder line and drinker. The distance between the feeder line and the rim of the drinkers should be 90 centimeters. Distance between last line and edge of slat. The last line on the slats should be at least 60 centimeters from the edge of the slat. Feeding in the dark. To achieve uniform feed distribution, you can distribute feed in the dark and then turn on the light for a few seconds to help the males find the feed. Observe feeding time. An unhealthy flock may lack appetite or be reluctant to access feeders. Feeding schedule. The feeding program should be implemented from the time the birds hatch until they are 20 weeks old. The amount of energy and protein consumed should be distributed over time, and the weekly feed allocation should change incrementally. Flock uniformity. Ensure that all birds receive nutrients equally. Inadequate feeder space or poor feed distribution can lead to poor flock uniformity.